Welcome to the diary. In this video, we're going to talk about how we collect and view data within a diary. To make entering and viewing this data easier, we collect the information in categories, which we call modules. Here we are on the diary's home page called the dashboard. The quickest way to view the modules is to come over to our Module Review button here at the left, the Browse button, and clicking on Browse, you'll see a list of all the category modules currently available in the diary. Here you see the most recent ones I've used, and beneath that, all the other ones available. Let's click on a module name. Each of these modules collects details of your information. Where you see a circled plus sign, you can enter new information. Clicking opens up a data collection box where you can type in details of the entry. The details you can enter vary depending on what module you're in. Once you've filled in the information in this entry box and click Save, the new entry will be saved. If you decide you don't want to save it, you can click Cancel, click the X, or just click outside the box. That will close it without saving it. Let's go back to our dashboard. We do this by clicking Dashboard here at the top left, over here at the far left where it says Dashboard, or anywhere you are in your diary. If you click on the diary logo, this will also return you to your dashboard. On the dashboard, the modules you want to view most can be set up in boxes we call widgets. Widgets contain different individual modules, and you can customize them or change which ones appear on your dashboard at any time. And you can see that the name of the module contained in the widget is at the top. The data you have entered in any module will also appear on your timeline. Let's go to Timeline here at left. Clicking on the word Timeline takes us to the Timeline page. In the center, you'll see the name of a view. Here I've set up a view for my personal trainer. You can create custom views and include any modules you choose for that view. Here you can see the modules I've chosen for this view: body measurements, physical activity, and dietary lifestyle. I can add an entry to any of these by clicking on the plus, and I can see more details by clicking on this arrow at left. That opens up this particular module to give me more details, where I can sort and view in different ways, and I can even click on a particular entry and see more detail that way. And with these, I can edit, copy, or delete. To close this box, I click the X. We'll talk more about the timeline in another video. Anytime you're in the diary and you want to quickly make an entry, back at left, you can use the New Entry button. Clicking on this brings up the module names, and clicking on a particular module brings up the data collection field. Let's go ahead and enter something in this one. I'm entering aspirin, and here I can choose the type. Depending on what module you're in, you'll have different fields for entering information. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just cancel, and that entry will not be saved. When you click on Browse Modules, and you click on a module name, you'll see the detail screen where you can view all the entries already made, as well as add a new entry using the plus button. Here are entries I've already made over the last 12 months. I can sort these modules by date, name, ascending or descending order. I can show quantity or form. And here I can choose a time period and whether I've taken this or whether it's a prescription. Over to the far right, I can view details, edit, copy, or delete this entry. You can go to a different module directly from this module's detail screen by clicking on the module name at top. This will bring up a list of the other modules available. Let's go back to the dashboard. Again, you can get back to the dashboard by clicking here, clicking Dashboard over at left, or clicking the logo. So again, modules are simply categories of information that you can sort and view. Using the dashboard is the easiest way to see the modules you want to view most often. Thanks for watching this overview of modules, and be sure to watch our other videos to learn to use all your diary's features.